Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to clear all YouTube history on any device. So just simply go ahead and click on your profile below, right? Go ahead to the settings here, and from here you're going to just go ahead into managing your history. So since your account is actually linked with Google, and if you are already logged in with your account on your PC or laptop, the settings may apply on that. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to delete right here on your search history. You're gonna see it, okay, and you're gonna just go ahead into delete all time, for example. All right, and confirm that you want to delete all the search history. And after you confirm, right, the settings will be applied on your PC, on your Android, on your laptop as well. All right, so just hit confirm right here to delete, and it's gonna be deleted from your phone right here. It's gonna be deleted from your laptop or PC. It's gonna be applied on all devices. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.